Machado Toll Plaza, the most expensive toll gate in the country. And the tariffs are going up yet again, from 104 rand to 112 rand for Class 1 vehicle or all light vehicles, and nearly 650 for Class 4 vehicle. SANCO in Mpumalanga wants the tariffs reduced as many can afford the increase.
And we're opposing this tariff simply because cost of living these days is too high. People are unemployed. Our communities are suffering. When you look both Mtonjeni and Waterfall and Machado, they have become ghost towns. And as such, we are opposing this tariff increase simply because it is the cost of these two towns being a ghost towns. But generally, this is the most expensive toll gate in South Africa, which make it even more difficult for our relatives to come and visit us. So that is why we are against this increase. In fact, we want it to be decreased or completely taken out.
With Class 1 vehicles, a trip from Bombela to Pretoria will cost you over 200 rand. And motorists are concerned, especially taxi drivers.
I think this thing is gonna be work because the taxi drivers, they are always passing here in toll gate. I don't think that one is a good idea that they make. I don't think it's gonna work. But we're gonna strike.
We're not going to afford the toll gates because everything is going up. Petrol is going up, toll gates are going up. So if you're going just from Belfast to Epwaba, it's not even a long distance. So there's no need for them to the prices of a toll gate.
In a statement to SABC News, Sanral says the tariffs are adjusted in line with the consumer price index, and the toll monies are used to maintain, operate and improve toll roads. Machado, SABC News, Machadodorp.